Hey everyone! Today I'm embarking on an exciting financial challenge, turning £100 into £1,000 in just 30 days. Sounds ambitious? Absolutely. But I'm here to prove that it's possible with a bit of creativity and hustle. First off, why am I doing this? Well, I wanted to show that anyone can take control of their finances with manageable, hands-on strategies. You'll see every step I take, so you can replicate it and maybe even join me on this journey. So here's the game plan. I'm diving into 3 main strategies. First, low-cost side hustles like selling unused items or freelancing. Second, micro-investments in stocks or crypto. Yes, you can start with small amounts. And finally, quick savings hacks to maximize every penny. Let's break it down week by week. In week 1, I started by rummaging through my old stuff and selling items online. That brought in some quick cash and got the ball rolling. I also signed up for a few freelancing gigs on Upwork and Fiverr. By the week's end, I had already doubled my initial £100. Week 2 was all about investing. I put £50 into low-cost index funds and another £50 into a few promising crypto coins. The market fluctuated, but I stayed patient. Meanwhile, I picked up some extra freelance work and used cashback apps for everyday purchases. Week 3 got interesting. I started flipping items, buying low from car boot sales and selling high on eBay. It was a bit risky, but the returns were worth it. I also took on some higher-paying freelance projects, which really boosted my earnings. Finally, in week 4, I focused on quick savings hacks. I used discount codes, negotiated bills, and even took on some odd jobs through TaskRabbit. Every little bit added up, and by the end of the month, I was amazed at how far I'd come. So, did I hit the £1,000 mark? Drumroll, please. Yes, I did. But it wasn't without challenges. There were days when sales were slow or investments dipped, but I learned to stay adaptable and persistent. Here are a few key takeaways. First, diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one method. Second, patience is crucial when investing. Don't panic over market dips. And finally, small savings add up. Use every trick in the book to stretch your money further. I encourage you all to take on this challenge. Start with whatever amount you can and see how much you can grow it in 30 days. Share your progress in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and challenges. Remember, financial freedom is within reach. You just need to take that first step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.